Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log into Monzo Bank application on your mobile device. First of all, make sure that the Monzo app is installed from your Google Play Store or your Apple App Store, and then once it is, launch the app open. Once you get to this welcome screen of Monzo, if you are trying to create a new account since you don't have an account yet, click on I'm new to Monzo. If you have an existing account, click on I already have an account, and on the next page, write down your email address you used to join Monzo in the text box. After typing it down, click on Continue. If you don't remember your email address, tap on I forgot my email address to get help. After clicking on Continue, on the next page, verify your email by entering the verification code sent to you via email, and you will then be able to log into your account. After logging in, you'll see your account balance, transactions, and other banking features. You can then check your balance, send money, or manage your account safely. That is how you can easily log into Monzo online banking account using the Monzo Bank app. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.